Hello guys, in this video we are going to be revising what we did in class. We start by creating a folder. Let's call it revision. Revision. Yes, I believe you've installed your VS Code. So open your VS Code. I have my VS Code here. So just file. Click on file. Open folder. Click on open folder. Now click on the new revision. Select folder. Yes, in our folder, we don't have any file yet. Shows the author, we don't have any file yet, so we're going to click on this new file, this sign. Click on the new file. You can call it a.py and save. So in this a.py, you can write your Python code. So what we're going to do is to write our code. I believe you know how to declare variables, which is a equals to variable 10. And then let's say b equals to uh, 20. Then we say c equals to a plus b. So I can then say print print c. So if we save this and to run this directly from VS Code, you can just come to terminal here, new terminal. So this is going to automatically open the directory. Then we type in Python a.py. You can see that 10 plus this is static, but the method I told you in class was this. You can still do that. You check the revision now. You see the Python, and come here, type cmd. You can enter. It's a pop-up, then you can still type Python a.py. You can see we have the same results. So VS Code has its own shell, its own terminal here, so we don't have to use him. So your lab is your lab here. Lab question is for you to check if the input you get is a percent of, if the the percent, the input percent 2 is equals to 0. So I'm not going to show you that because it's your classwork, but I'll show you similar things. So what we're going to do first is to get an input. Let's say a. I believe you know what input is. A input is equal to input. You can say input A, input A, and then B equals to input B input. Uh, if we print, if we say C equals to A plus B, then print C this time around. This is what we're going to do. So just come to your terminal here. Don't forget how to open your terminal. Click on terminal, new terminal, and this will come. So start this. Say input A, then input uh, 20 or 20, and then say 10. You can see he wrote 2010 because this is a string. I believe you remember when you input a like this, it will give you a string. So if you want to do arithmetic operation, because what your teacher told you is percent, I believe it's an arithmetic operation which has to do with numbers. You'll have to add the int here and int. So if we try this again, we're gonna get an error. So let's input A, let's say 20, and input B 10. You can see that because this is an int, which is the number numeric. I believe you remember the pseudocodes data type. So we have the numeric numbers and characters. So this int is a numeric and this is a character. We cannot add them together. So to add them together, you also have to put int here. And don't forget, if you want to get a string, you don't have to add that. So now let's try that now. Go to the terminal. Where's this? Now let's say 20, then 10. You can see our result is 30. So now we can say, now we know that 20 plus 30 that we're getting from the user is equals to 30, right? We both know it's 30 now. We're going to say if C is equals to, you can use 2 or 3, 30, then print yes, it's 30. Then we have to add the else statement. Else, that is, if it's not 30, it should print not 30, not 30. So what we did before was to add 20 plus 10. So let's do that now. So 20, 10. Yes, it's 30 because 20 plus 10 is 30 now. Let's add some other number. Let's try it again. Let's say 50 plus 20. What did it bring out? Not 30. Do you understand? We brought out 30 because it was that. If I'm too fast, let me do that again. Let's clear this. Okay, now then write Python A. You can just click the up button to bring out the previous code you wrote. So input this now. We both know 20 plus 10, right? It's 30. So we wrote if C is equal to 30, print yes it's 30, else. So now that 20 plus 10 is 30 because of the input you are getting. We did not declare, don't forget, we are getting that input from the user. So now you can see since our input is 20, which is the that we got, and B is 10, 10 plus 20 is 30. If C is equals to 30, then print this, and this code ends here. So when it comes to else, which means it's not true, print that, and this is true, so we are getting yes it's 30. So now let's try that again. Let's say 15 and 6. No, it's not 30 because we know 15 plus 6, that is 21, right? So if we now change this to 21, save that, I'll come back to our terminal and run that. Now we say 15 plus 6, right? Yes, it's 30 because we changed this to 21. We can just change it to 21. Try it. 15 plus 6. See, yes, it's 21. Because 15 plus 6 is that. So, your assignment is easy. You just perform the arithmetic operation. You can just write, I don't know, maybe it's actually simple. Simple. So we can just say, let's say, we don't have to put it this way. We don't have to actually put C. We can just say A. You can just say A plus B is equals to 30, and this will run this way. Not to confuse you, you can just write this directly like this. 15, 6. You can see yes. You can just write it this way, just because I did mine because I've been writing code for years now, if not a decade. So we should just give my operation a variable name. I did mine that way. So we can just do it directly, and we can just say, you can just get A only, and then put 5 here. 5 here. This will work as well. So if you just come to our terminal here, then say Python A, and I just put okay, it's supposed to be 6 here. Let's put it 6 here. 6 here. So 6 here. So let's go back to and I just input the 15. You think yes, it's 21 because A is 15 plus 6. So from this, I believe you can solve your uh, lab assignment. So I'll be expecting the assignment as soon as possible, guys. I will also make a C++ or C programming language video for you guys later. I hope you understand that. It's really easy.